9 incredible drinks to repair nerve damage. If you've been dealing with nerve pain, tingling, numbness, or even muscle weakness, you know just how challenging nerve damage can be. For those of you who might not be familiar, nerve damage occurs when nerves are injured, leading to disrupted signals between your brain and body. This can happen due to various reasons like injuries, diabetes, infections, or even prolonged pressure on a nerve. The result? A range of uncomfortable and sometimes debilitating symptoms that can seriously affect your daily life. But here's the good news. While medical treatment is crucial, there are natural ways to support your body's healing process. In today's video, we're going to talk about 9 incredible drinks that can help repair nerve damage and enhance overall nerve health. These beverages are packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that work together to reduce inflammation, protect your nerves, and promote regeneration. Whether you're looking to alleviate symptoms of nerve damage or simply want to take proactive steps to keep your nervous system in top shape, this video is for you. So grab a seat, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health tips. Let's dive into these 9 powerful drinks that could make a big difference in your nerve health. Stay tuned. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea is renowned for its high concentration of antioxidants, particularly catechin, which play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 key factors that contribute to nerve damage. The powerful antioxidants in green tea help protect nerve cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to neurodegenerative diseases. Additionally, green tea has been shown to enhance brain function by improving blood flow and oxygen delivery to the brain and nervous system. This improved circulation supports the repair and regeneration of damaged nerves. Regular consumption of green tea, about 2 to 3 cups daily, can promote overall nerve health and may contribute to the recovery of nerve function over time. Green tea's neuroprotective properties make it an excellent choice for those looking to support their nervous system naturally. Number 2. Turmeric golden milk. Turmeric golden milk is a powerful drink that harnesses the anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective properties of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Curcumin has been extensively studied for its ability to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are critical in preventing and repairing nerve damage. By reducing inflammation, curcumin helps to alleviate pain and promote the healing of damaged nerves. Golden milk, typically made with turmeric, milk, often plant-based black pepper and other spices, is a comforting and nourishing way to incorporate turmeric into your diet. The addition of black pepper is essential because it contains piperine, a compound that significantly enhances the absorption of curcumin in the body. Regular consumption of turmeric golden milk, especially before bed, can provide calming effects and support nerve health. This ancient remedy is not only delicious, but also a potent tool for nerve repair and overall well-being. Number 3. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is an excellent drink for supporting nerve health, primarily due to its high nitrate content. Nitrates in beetroot juice are converted into nitric oxide in the body, which helps improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to tissues, including nerves. Enhanced blood circulation is crucial for the repair and regeneration of damaged nerves, as it ensures that these areas receive the necessary nutrients and oxygen for healing. Additionally, beetroot juice is rich in antioxidants such as betalains, which help protect nerve cells from oxidative damage and inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of beetroot juice also contribute to reducing nerve pain and discomfort. For the best results, it's recommended to consume freshly pressed beetroot juice, as it retains the highest levels of nutrients. Incorporating beetroot juice into your daily routine can be a natural and effective way to promote nerve repair and maintain overall nerve health. Number 4. Blueberry smoothie. A blueberry smoothie is a delicious and potent drink for supporting nerve health due to the high antioxidant content of blueberries. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid that has powerful neuroprotective properties. These antioxidants help protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are key contributors to nerve damage and neurodegenerative diseases. By reducing oxidative stress, blueberries can help preserve nerve function and promote the repair of damaged nerves. In addition to their antioxidant properties, blueberries also improve cognitive function and brain health, further supporting the nervous system. To maximize the benefits, blend blueberries with other nutrient-rich ingredients like spinach, almond milk, and chia seeds, which add vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats essential for nerve health. Regularly enjoying a blueberry smoothie can be a tasty and effective way to nourish your nerves and support their repair. Number 5. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is a soothing beverage that offers multiple benefits for nerve health. Known for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties, chamomile helps to reduce nerve pain and inflammation, which are common issues in nerve damage. The active compounds in chamomile, such as apigenin, have been shown to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety, which can further help in managing nerve pain and discomfort. Drinking chamomile tea before bed can improve sleep quality, which is essential for the body's natural healing processes, including nerve repair. Additionally, chamomile's anti-inflammatory effects can reduce swelling and pressure on the nerves, promoting a more comfortable and healing environment within the body. Regular consumption of chamomile tea can provide gentle yet effective support for nerve health, making it an excellent choice for those dealing with nerve damage or looking to prevent it. Number 6. Bone broth. Bone broth is a nutrient-dense drink that offers substantial benefits for nerve health, particularly due to its high content of collagen, amino acids, and minerals. Collagen is essential for the repair and regeneration of the myelin sheath, the protective covering around nerves that is crucial for proper nerve function. The amino acids found in bone broth, such as glycine, proline, and glutamine, support the healing and rebuilding of nerve tissues. These amino acids also have anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce nerve pain and promote a healthier environment for nerve repair. Bone broth is also rich in minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are important for overall nervous system health. Homemade bone broth is especially beneficial as it retains the most nutrients. Drinking bone broth regularly can provide your body with the building blocks it needs to repair damaged nerves and maintain overall nerve health. Number 7. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is a powerful drink that supports nerve health through its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ginger contains bioactive compounds like gingerol and chaga, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and protect nerve cells from oxidative damage. This is particularly important for those experiencing nerve pain or neuropathy, as reducing inflammation can alleviate pain and support the healing process. Ginger tea also improves blood circulation, which is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to damaged nerves, promoting their repair and regeneration. Additionally, ginger's warming effect on the body can provide comfort and relief from nerve-related discomfort to enhance its benefits. Ginger tea can be combined with lemon or honey, which add extra antioxidants and soothing properties. Regular consumption of ginger tea can be a natural and effective way to support nerve health, reduce pain, and promote overall well-being. Number 8. Dark chocolate cocoa. Dark chocolate cocoa is a delicious and beneficial drink for nerve health, thanks to its high flavonoid content. Flavonoids, especially those found in dark chocolate, have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that protect nerve cells from damage and support their repair. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress, a major contributor to nerve damage and neurodegenerative diseases. Additionally, dark chocolate has been shown to improve brain function by enhancing blood flow to the brain and nervous system, which is crucial for maintaining healthy nerves. For the best results, it's important to choose cocoa with at least 70% cacao, as this ensures a higher concentration of beneficial flavonoids. Enjoying a cup of dark chocolate cocoa can be a comforting way to support your nervous system, protect against nerve damage, and promote overall nerve health, making it both a tasty and healthful treat. Number 9. Aloe Vera Juice. Aloe Vera Juice is a hydrating and healing drink that offers several benefits for nerve health. Aloe vera is rich in vitamins, including B1, B2, B6, and B12, which are essential for maintaining healthy nerves and supporting their repair. These B vitamins play a crucial role in nerve function by aiding in the production of neurotransmitters and the maintenance of the myelin sheath, which protects nerves and ensures proper signal transmission. Aloe vera also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in swelling around damaged nerves, promoting a more conducive environment for healing. Additionally, aloe vera juice is known for its soothing effects on the body, helping to alleviate nerve pain, and discomfort. For maximum benefits, choose organic pure aloe vera juice without added sugars or artificial ingredients. Incorporating aloe vera juice into your daily routine can support nerve repair and overall nerve health. Summary: in this video, we explored 9 incredible drinks that can play a significant role in supporting nerve repair and boosting overall nerve health. We delved into how these beverages, each packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties, can help manage and alleviate symptoms of nerve damage. From green tea's powerful antioxidants to turmeric, golden milk's anti-inflammatory curcumin, each drink offers unique benefits for reducing inflammation, protecting nerve cells, and promoting regeneration. We discussed how beetroot juice improves blood flow and oxygen delivery to nerves, while blueberry smoothies provide antioxidant-rich support for nerve health. Chamomile tea's calming effects, bone broth's nutrient density, ginger tea's soothing properties, dark chocolate cocoa's flavonoids, and aloe vera juice's essential vitamins all contribute to a comprehensive approach to nerve care. By incorporating these drinks into your daily routine, you can take proactive steps toward enhancing your nervous system's function and supporting overall nerve health. If you found this information valuable, be sure to like the video, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and advice.